Valentine's Day is traditionally celebrated on February the 14th. What does this day really represent? Love, of course. Love bears all things, hopes all things, and endures all things. Hello friends, and welcome to the channel. Today I am participating in a Valentine tablescape collaboration hosted by Crafty Kitty. The title of this tablescape is called Couples Night In Valentine Celebration. The rules for this collaboration was to simply create a Valentine tablescape. Many of the items that you see on this tablescape were purchased at the thrift store, and some were purchased on clearance at Pier 1 and Hobby Lobby. These beautiful heart-shaped dishes were purchased at Goodwill, and I purchased 4 of them. 2 of the place settings have different salad plates on them. I purchased the beautiful floral centerpieces from the Goodwill for $3 each. This crown was also purchased at the Goodwill, and I embellished it with some stones for sparkle. I've added 2 bevel edge mirrors down the center of the table to create some charm. Upon reaching the 2,000 subscribers mark, I will be showing my appreciation by doing 2 giveaways. For more details, please watch the next Valentine tablescape. I'll be uploading that tablescape at the end of this week. I would like to thank Crafty Kitty for the invitation she extended to me to participate in this collaboration. I am truly grateful for the opportunity. Thanks to everyone that continuously support my channel. Your beautiful comments is the glue that's holding everything together to keep me motivated to keep on keeping on. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. I am so happy that you've joined the Divine family. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so today. I would be so grateful. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and share. I really do appreciate you taking the time to stop by. Let us love one another, for love is of God, and God is love. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Be blessed and stay inspired. God loves you, and so do I. Bye-bye.